to set 3.2 algebra standard 10th, and this fill in the blanks question number 1 is very easy. So we'll start. This is 1, 8, 15, 22, first one. So what is A? A is the first term, 1. That is T1 is also 1. T2 is 8. T3 is 15. Okay. Now T2 minus T1 is 8 minus 1, so I'll write here 7. Okay, what is T3 minus T2? 15 minus 8, so that is 7. So that means therefore D is equal to 7. Okay, then T1 here is 3, T2 6, T3 9, T4 12, T2 minus T1 is 6 minus 3, so that is 3. T3 minus T2 is 9 minus 6, so that is 3, and therefore D is 3. Coming to question number 3. Coming to third one, T1 is minus 3, T2 is minus 8, T3 is minus 13, T4 is minus 18, T2 minus T1 is minus 8. This will become plus 3. Minus 8 plus 3 is minus 5. Okay, and again T3 minus T2 is the same, minus 18, minus 13 plus 8. Minus 13 plus 8 is also minus 5. A means they are asking the first term, so it is minus 3. And what about D? D is minus 5. You are getting here, D is minus 5. Coming to fourth one, T1 means A is 70. I am writing it here all and here also. A is 70. T2 is 60. T3 is 50. What is the D? Common difference. Common difference, you can see 60 minus 70. If I see, it is minus 10. Okay, you cannot write it 10. It is minus 10. Okay, so this is how we did the fill in the blanks. Let us move on to question number 2. Question 2 says that we have to first identify whether this is an AP, and if this is an AP, find the 20th term. Okay, we have to find the 20th term, that is T20. So we very well know the formula. First let us see, this is T1 minus 12. What is T2 minus T1? It is minus 5 minus minus 12, so it becomes minus 5 plus 12. Okay, so what is this? 7. Okay, let us see T3 minus T2, that is 2 minus minus 5, so that is also 7. Okay, so T4 minus T3 we will check and then we will finalize. 9 minus 2, so this is also 7. So here we can see here the difference is constant. Therefore D is equal to 7. Therefore given sequence is an AP, arithmetic progression. Now because it is an arithmetic progression, we can write T20 is equal to, first I'll write the formula for Tn. What is Tn? A plus n minus 1 D. For finding the nth term, this is the formula, know that. So for finding T20, A is what? A is minus 12 plus n is 20 minus 1 into difference is 7. So this will become minus 12 plus 19 into 7. 20 minus 1 is 19. Okay, so here I am coming minus 12 plus minus 12 plus what is 19 sevens are? 19 sevens are is 133. Okay, what is 133 minus 12? 133 minus 12 is 121. So the 20th term of this arithmetic progression is 121. Let us come on to third one. So question number 3 is slightly different. What is the difference here? The difference is they have asked to find the 24th term of arithmetic progression. Means they have already stated that this is an arithmetic progression. So you don't have to find that the given sequence is AP or no. So how will you do? First I will find the common difference. T1 is equal to 12. T2 minus T1 is equal to 16 minus 12 equals to 4. We will do one more. T3 minus T2 is equal to 20 minus 16, that is also equal to 4. Okay, so now you can see, therefore common difference is 4. I will write what is the first term. First term is 12. Then you will write the formula for the nth term. Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, now T24 we are asked. What is T24? So instead of n we will write 24 there. What is a? A is 12 plus n minus 1, so 24 minus 1. Difference t is 4, so right here. Now this becomes 12 plus this is 23 into 4. What is 23 4 times? 23 4 times is 92, correct. Okay, and 92 plus 12 is 104. So T24 equals to 104. Okay, coming to question number 4, it is almost similar. Find the 19th term. We have to find T19. Okay, and the arithmetic progression given is 7, 13, 19, 25. Okay, so here I will write T1 is 7, T2 minus T1 is equal to 13 minus 7, that is equal to 6, T3 minus T2 is equal to 19 minus 13, that is equal to also 6. So you got common difference as 6. What is A? A is 7. Simple. Writing the formula for Tn. Tn is A plus n minus 1 into d. So Tn becomes now T19 because they have asked the 19th term. Okay, A is 7 plus n minus 1. N minus 1 is 19 minus 1 into difference. Difference is what? 6. Okay, so this is 7 plus 18 6. What is 18 6 times? 108. Okay, 18 into 6. So what is 108 plus 7? 108 plus 7 is 115. Okay, so your answer T19, the 19th term of this arithmetic progression is 115. Question number 5 is also similar, so I'll do that. Okay, so 27th term we have to find. Beg your pardon, this is 5th one. So 27th term we are asked to find, where this is the given arithmetic progression. So I'll first write what is T1 is 9, T2 minus T1 is 4 minus 9, that is equal to minus 5, T3 minus T2 equals to minus 1 minus 4, so that is equal to minus 5. Okay, then T4 minus T3, or that is okay, this much is okay. So therefore I'll write common difference is minus 5, and the first term A is 9. Okay, A is 9 and common difference is minus 5. So we'll write the formula for Tn. What is the formula? A plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, so it is A is 9 plus n minus 1 n minus 1 is, we'll write here t27. 27 minus 1 into difference is minus 5. So 9 plus 26 into minus 5. Okay, now plus into minus, of course here it will be minus. What is 26 5 times? If I don't know 26 5 times, I'll do 25 5 times. 25 5 times is 125. So 26 5 will be just 5 more, so it will be 130. Okay, what is 9 minus 130? It is 121, sign of bigger number. Okay, so the 27th term t27 equals to minus 121. Okay, now question number 6 is very interesting. What they have asked is, how many numbers, 3-digit numbers, are divisible by 5? Okay, so we'll take the smallest. Okay, first this is solution. 3-digit numbers divisible by 5. What is the smallest 3-digit number? It is 100, correct? So I'll start from 100, then 105, then 110, and it will go on till, what is the biggest 3-digit number? I know it is 999, but we are taking the number, the biggest 3-digit number which is divisible by 5. So it will be 995, correct? So we don't know how many numbers in all will be there for the numbers to be divisible by 5. Okay, so we can do it by formula. We'll write here a is equal to 100, d is equal to 5. Okay, so I'll write here Tn, means we know the last term. Tn is what? 995, correct? I am not talking about n. N we have to find, so I am writing here n equals to question mark. Okay, so Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into t. Tn I'll write, this is the last term, 995. Okay, a is 100 plus n we don't know, difference we know it is 5. So 995 equals to 100 plus this becomes 5n minus 5 ones are 5. Okay, now 995, 100 I'll bring it here, 5 also I'll bring here, it will become plus 5, this will become minus 100. The only thing remains in here in RHS is 5n. Okay, what is 995 minus 100? 895. 895 plus 5. What is 895 plus 5? It is 900. 900 is equal to 5n. Okay, so n will be how much? 900 upon 5. Upon 5. Okay, you know 18 5s is 90. Okay, 5 1s are 5, 18s are 0 is 0. So therefore there are 180 3-digit numbers divisible by 5. Okay, very easy. So coming to sum number 7. Coming to sum number 7, where the 11th term is given and the 21st term is given, and they have asked us to find the 41st term. Okay, so we'll first write, let a be the first term and d be the common difference. Okay, Why we are writing this? Because we know that the formula is t plus Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So for T11 it will be a plus 11 minus 1 into d. So that comes to a plus 10d. T11 is a plus 10d. This is the first equation we are getting. Okay, and for T21 it will be a plus 21 minus 1 d. Okay, so it is a plus 20 d. T21 is a plus 20 d. Okay, so if you see T11 is 16 and T21 is 29. Okay, so what we are doing is, instead of T11 I am writing here 16, and instead of T21 I am writing here 29. So what we can do is, now we can solve these two simultaneous equations. Okay, therefore subtracting 1 from 2, 1 from 2. So 1 is, I'll write it below, a plus 10d equals to 16, and this is a plus 20d equals to 29. Okay, so subtracting means the signs will get changed. Each term will carry a different sign. Okay, now minus minus and this is minus, so a minus a will go away. This is 10d, 20 minus 10d is 10d, 29 minus 16 is how much? It is 13. Okay, so d is how much? D is 13 upon 10, that means d is 1.3. okay, we got the difference is 1.3. now we'll substitute this d to find a. Substituting d equals to 1.3 in equation, any equation you can take, a plus 10d equals to 16. So a plus 10 into d is 1.3 equals to 16. A plus, this is 1.3 into 10 will become 13. So a is equal to 16 minus 13. Therefore a is equal to 3. You got a now, you got d now. Okay, it is very simple to find what is T41. Okay, I am just writing it here. Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the formula, general formula for n, the nth term. So T41 is equal to a. What is a? A is 3 plus what is n? N is 41 minus 1 into d. D is how much? 1.3. 3 plus this is 40 into 1.3. okay, so 3 plus what is 40 into 1.3? you know 13 4 is 52. okay, so this will be 52. okay, so T41 will be 52 plus 3, that is 55. so your this is 41st term is 55. This is your final answer. Clear? Let us move on to 8th one. So coming to 8th one, the question here is, which term of an AP 11852, this is already an AP, is minus 151? means if we go on, this number will certainly come in this AP, and as this is T3, this is T4, so we have to find which term is this. So in short, we have to find what? We have to find n. We know a is 11. We know d. How much is d? I am straight away writing now, you know. Okay, 8 minus 11, it is minus 3. It is going on decreasing, so difference is negative, minus 3. okay, and this is our Tn. We have to go till here. Okay, we have to find n. So I'll straight away write Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. A is 11 plus n minus 1. Tn, I'll write this minus 151, n minus 1 into d. D is minus 3. Okay, minus 151 is equal to 11 plus, this will become minus 3n, and this will become plus 3. Okay, so now what I am doing, 3n I am bringing here, so it becomes positive. This becomes positive. 11 plus 3 remains in the RHS. Minus 151 I am bringing in the RHS, so it becomes positive. Okay, this becomes positive. Now 3n is equal to 11 plus 3, 14. 14 plus 151 is 165. Okay, so 3n is equal to 165. N is equal to 165 upon 3. Okay, now 3 1s are 3 5s are 15, again 3 5s are 15, so n is equal to 55. Therefore minus 151 is the 55th term of the given AP. Okay, so this is how we have to jumble. Sometimes D will not be given, sometimes Tn will not be given, sometimes n will not be given. Which term they have asked? So they have asked n. Okay, here Tn is given. Okay, this is how you have to proceed. Coming to ninth one, it is similar, like they have asked how many numbers. When how many numbers, it means they have asked n. Okay, first we have to write here the AP, the numbers which are divisible by 4. So from 10, you know AP will be 12. The first number divisible after 10 is 12, divisible by 4. So 12, 16, 20 and so on. We have to go till 250. So 250 is not divisible by 4. The number which is less than 250 which is divisible by 4 is 248. Okay, now here T1 is 12, that means A is 12. What is the difference? Difference of course is 4, and the nth term Tn is 248. So we'll straight away write Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So 248 equals to A is 12 plus n we have to find out, and difference is 4. Okay, so it is 248 equals to 12 plus, this is 4n minus 4. Now because 4n is already positive, so I am keeping it in RHS, and rest all I am sending it in LHS. This will become minus 12, this will become plus 4. Okay, so 4n equals to, what is 248 minus 12? It is 236. 236 plus 4 is 240. Okay, now n is equal to 240 by 4. Okay, 4 1s are 4, 6 are, n is equal to 60. Okay, so this is the 60th. You can see there are 60 numbers, therefore there are 60 numbers between 10 and 250 that are divisible by 4. Okay, clear? So coming to sum number 10. Okay, so question number 10 given is, simply we have to put it in mathematical form. The 17th term given of an AP is 7 more than the 10th term, correct? Okay, now T10 we don't know. Also we don't know what is 17th term, but we know there is some relation. What relation is there? It is just 7 more than the 10th term. Okay, so they have asked to find the common difference. You know, one thing we can do is write the formula of this. Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1d, and when we find T17, T17 will become a plus 16d, correct? And similarly T10 will become a plus 9d. Write it in the formula. Okay, sorry, this is 10 minus 1, so a plus 9d. T17 is a plus 16d and T10 is a plus 9d. So this is 1, this is 2. Okay, now T17 and T10, this becomes a plus 16d, a plus 9d. Okay, now what is given is T17 is equal to 7 more than the 10th term. This is given. So I'll just substitute. T17 is a plus 16d and T10 is what? A plus 9d plus 7. So this I'm writing from 1 and 2. Okay. Now AA gets cancelled. They are on the either sides of equal to sign. So 16d minus 9d equals to 7. So 7d is equal to 7, correct? So d will become what? D is equal to 7 upon 7. So therefore d is equal to 1. Okay, the difference is 1. With this we come to the end of practice set 3.2. Keep practicing and ask me any doubts if you have. Okay, goodbye.